A democracy is in crisis in Australia as in many other parts of the Western world. Trust in government, political parties, politicians generally, even in parliaments, is at its lowest ebb. This needs to be remedied. And we have an election coming up shortly, early May. And one of the key contentious issues will be energy generally, climate change, and nuclear energy in particular, as proposed by the coalition parties. The issues are important, and for this we need a democratic process. With this in mind, Conversation at the Crossroads is hosting a unique, groundbreaking assembly, citizen assembly, where any Australian who wishes to have a say can do so about these related questions. What is this online assembly? It'll come in two parts. First, those who wish to participate will be engaged in a 1-hour conversation in a small group of about 10 people. Several questions will be put to those taking part, and each will have exactly the same amount of time to respond to each of the questions. Everyone will have an equal say. No hierarchy, overt or covert. Several of these conversations will be taking place simultaneously over one of 3 days. People have a choice which of the 3 days. And we will be able to put together a summary of these conversations, whether it is 40 groups, 50 small groups, or even 100 plus. That summary will then be conveyed to all the participants, and a few days later we will assemble all of us together, however many hundreds of people may be involved, in order to take the discussion a step further, in order to see how ideas, perspectives are shaping up, what is the range of different views that we are being exposed to, what are possible ways forward. So that will take about an hour and a half, a plenary session. The two together then will provide us with insights as to the mood, the temper of Australian society around these questions. And this we will be able to publish widely, release the information to key sectors of society, including to the new elected members of parliament in Australia. So that is an exciting prospect, and we very much hope you will be registering soon in order to ensure your place in the assembly.